Hello. Today we're going to look at some vocabulary so we can get started on our unit here. First, we're going to look at what we call a coordinate plane. And here's an example of our coordinate plane. So I'm just going to label coordinate plane. And a coordinate plane is a plane formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line called the x-axis. So here is our horizontal, our x-axis. So the intersection of the horizontal number line called the x-axis and the vertical number line called the y-axis. So here's our vertical y-axis. All right, they're broken up into 4 different quadrants. So they're going to go counterclockwise, and we always start here. So quadrant 1. And in this quadrant, x is positive and y is positive. Then we're going counterclockwise, so quadrant 2. And in this quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. So now I'm going to follow that around. I've got quadrant 3 down here. And in this quadrant, x is negative and y is also negative. Last quadrant over here, I have quadrant 4. And in this quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. All right. When we are plotting or our points on our coordinate plane, we're going to see an ordered pair, and that is a pair of numbers that can be used to locate a point on a coordinate plane. And the ordered pair is going to be x then y. And then our origin is the point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect on a coordinate plane, and that point is 0, 0. So there's my origin, and the ordered pair is 0, 0. All right. Another thing we want to look at, so right here, I'm going to draw a line in here. This is a vertical line. So a vertical line. And right here, where that point intersects the x-axis, that would be called my x-intercept. So then if I have a line that is a horizontal line like this, where it intersects the x or the y-axis, that's called my y-intercept. All right. So on my x-axis here, so as my numbers move away from the origin to the right, they become more positive. So these are all positive numbers this direction. So my x-axis is going to go positive this direction. Everything to the left of the origin, these are going to be negative. And then when I'm looking at my y-axis, everything above my origin, this is my y-axis positive values. And then everything below the origin for my y-axis, those are going to be negative values. All right. This right here, that's a point. And then when I have a line like this is just a diagonal line. And with my diagonal line, I'm going to have another y-intercept. And right here, it would intersect the x-axis. And I think on your paper, it's going to be a little bit nicer. I think the line intersects further in. All right. So our ordered pair, you're going to see some examples. So we're going to 5, -1. This is my x coordinate. And then -1 is my y coordinate. All right, I want you to go ahead and work that paper out that I've attached here and do your very best. If you have any questions, just reach out to me or attend one of my meetings. Have a great day.